Okay everyone, we're back with our mock-up of a vehicle back seat. So this back seat has both lower anchors and seatbelt. We're going to be able to install this car seat with either the lower anchors or the seatbelt. And we're going to be using the UppaBaby ARIA V2 base to go into our vehicle. And then we'll go ahead and put the car seat directly on the base to show you guys how to do that. So again, this video would not substitute for reading your instruction manual. This is just a demonstration. This is not the explicit instructions, so you absolutely 100% need to consult your manual. I do not have all the answers, but this is just a fast indication of how to do this. So every car 2003 and newer has lower anchors. We're going to demonstrate the lower anchor installation first. The first thing I would do with this base is get the load leg to drop out. There is a gray button on the bottom here where my pointer finger is. Once I hit that, my load leg pops down. So this guy right here is a load leg. This piece right here is an anti-rebound panel. It is incredible that this seat has both. The seat also has what's called Smart Secure. That is this red piece right here. When the seat is correctly installed in the car, that piece is actually going to turn green to let me know, hey, it's installed properly. So this is a communication piece that they have on pretty much all their car seats, which is awesome. So we'll free our lower anchor. It's the orange piece here with the little orange button. That's going to be my lower anchor. I will click it in, and then the seat is somewhat self-ratcheting. So that means when I want to tighten it in, it will get relatively tight. The other thing to keep in mind about this seat is there is a level on it on the side, which I didn't show the camera, which I'm happy to show you now. But most car seats have some type of level indicator, and that's this green guy. Guess what? It's on both sides. That's actually really nice because depending on where you are, you want to be able to see it. And we're just going to want to make sure, especially for that newborn, we're in that 0 to 4 month range. In order to adjust that, there's a piece here where if you pull, it makes this bottom part pop down. So just something to be aware of. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to go up one position. Actually, let's go up two, just to make sure that it's reclined enough for a newborn. So now I'm going to free my lower anchor, hook it in. I will take my other lower anchor connector and hook it on to the lower anchor. Should be using the correct terms here. And now that they're both set up, what we don't want is this to be moving around, and that's where Smart Secure is useful, because we're going to go ahead and just press on both sides, walk it out until it's done making noise. That's what I usually like to do. And then hopefully the camera can see here. This window is now turned from red to green. So that's an indication that we know we've done that correctly. If I pull on the seat from its installation point, it's not moving more than an inch. So that's right. My bubble is in that 0 to 4 month range. And now if we look on the back of the seat, our foot also has a red-green indicator, which maybe you guys can see, maybe you can't. But when you pull the foot out, that will turn green. There's a button on the back of the foot. Foot comes down, and you want to make sure in your car, you won't have the option to do it this way, but you want to make sure that it's making full contact with the floor. In this case, it is not moving. So this is correctly installed. Now we'll go ahead and take our seat and put it on the base, but remember, we can't use the boot. So we're going to go ahead and take that off, because anytime we want to use the car seat in the car, we don't use the boot. And we take our ARIA and drop it directly onto the base. Now, something to keep in mind, there is still a little bit of lift on the actual seat from the base. Just like that. A lot of car seats have this, but it is something I would point out so that if you buy one and you install it and you notice that you don't think that there is something wrong. With the weight of a child in here, that is not going to be an issue, but it's most pronounced for new parents that have never installed a car seat before, and then they see that and then they wonder why it does that. So we just want to point out that it will do that directly out of the box. Now, if you, for whatever reason, don't want to use lower anchors and you prefer a seatbelt installation, the cool thing is you don't actually lose your Smart Secure system to do that, which I think is great, because that is one of the features of the seat that is so nice that it communicates that to caregivers that they've done it correctly. So you'll set the seat in the car basically the exact same way as you did before. But now you're gonna open up this gray window so you can reveal this blue belt path. Blue is usually an indication from car seat brands that this is where a seatbelt goes for a rear-facing car seat. Not always, but typically blue is the color they use to communicate that. And then you just buckle your seatbelt. You'll go ahead and you'll center that seat, and you're gonna take that shoulder belt, and now you're gonna pull. And this is where it gets a little tricky, like especially with these demonstration seats, because I'm only able to do so much. But when you pull tightly enough, your Smart Secure goes from red to green. So that's what mine just did, telling me, hey, girlfriend, it's tight enough. And then I close the gray piece, and I don't actually have to lock the seatbelt off. That is a true lock off on the base, which is, love that. Now we're gonna go ahead and reset our foot. It's green, it's locked, not moving an inch from its installation point, and we are within our level range. We'll go ahead, and the seat that is bootless can go directly on the base for a seatbelt installation. So that's very easy as well. Now, let's say you don't want to take your base at all. Let's say you are going on vacation and it would just make sense to have the seat in the car without the base because you just don't want to bring it. On the side of every car seat, there are ways that show you how to install the car seat without a base. Just to show the viewing audience, wherever you see blue is where we will hook this seat up with the seat belt without the base. So in this case, the seat is going to go into your back seat. You'll make sure it's correctly level, and there's a line on the seat to make sure that you don't rotate it too far forward or backward. You'll go ahead and hook up your seat belt, and then you're going to take your seat belt and roll it around the back of the car seat and have it tuck into that little blue piece we saw in the back. And then our belt is locked off. We can tell by that sound. And the more we can feed in, generally, the tighter and better off the seat is when it's installed. So again, this is just a demonstration, but this would be a time where I would definitely roll that handle forward just for a little bit more of like a roll bar scenario, which would be good if we were to get into a tumble. So you can install it with the base with the seat belt, you can install it in the base with the lower anchors, and then the seat itself is very easy to move and bring around with installation using European belt routing method. So all in all, ARIA version 2, really cool seat, $449. Head on over to destinationbabykids.com. Check out all the cool colors, Callum, Jake, Declan, Grayson, and I think there's even one more color. You should go in the comments and correct me and tell me which one I'm missing. And then keep in mind, Black Friday is coming up as well. There could be some great deals going on with UppaBaby. They usually offer something. So please be sure to check back at destinationbabykids.com and see what we've got going on for you. We can ship anything directly to you. And check out my video comparing ARIA V2 to the old ARIA. You got to see the differences and know which one to buy because the other one's being discontinued, so it's even cheaper. All right, thanks guys, and we'll see you in our next video.